More?
His situation does not improving.
However or moreover. What did she say, Rubina? What did I say before?
It will be he. It will be he. I feel I have mistaken.
Oh, thank you. You made it wrong.
Yes, yes, bro. I feel I have mistaken. Thank you, bro.
No.
Oh, yes. I understand.
Okay.
Your brother is sick.
Yeah, who? What did you say? Please repeat it.
Your brother is sick.
Okay. Yes. My brother is somewhat ill or sick. He is suffering backbone pain. He is suffering backbone pain. অর্থাৎ মেরুদণ্ডের ব্যথা।
Oh.
Backbone.
I can understand.
মেরুদণ্ডের ব্যথা মানে backbone. Backbone pain. Back pain. Oh, backbone মানে হাড় আর back side হইছে পিছনের দিক। আমার গলায় পড়ে গেছে। আমার রুমের লাইট আজকে বাইরে হয়ে গেছে। My light is gonna garbage. Because it's not working. That's why I cannot use my LED light. I don't know what happens with my light. The money is lost. So, Rubina Sultana, before you asked Abani that, what did you ask? I don't know, but where are you now? Such a way you have to ask. Camera is not clear. What happens?
Abani brother, when did your brother feel back pain problem, backbone problem?
He is suffering from this problem within. He has been suffering this pain for 1 year, about 1 year.
1 year ago, this problem.
Yes. He went to hospital many times. He taken many information, many advice from a specialist doctor. He visited to orthopedist doctor and a neurologist and many doctors. He showed his problem. Some days ago, he went to Dhaka Medical College for showing a neurologist doctor. He was a chief of neurologist department and he is the chairman of the neurologist department. He is a very scholar in this department.
But no recover.
Yes. There are no results.
More?
His situation does not improving.
However or moreover. What did she say, Rubina? What did I say before?
It will be he. It will be he. I feel I have mistaken.
Oh, thank you. You made it wrong.
Yes, bro. I feel I have mistaken. Thank you, bro.
No. What about you? It's about Rubina Sultana. She told something, but I couldn't hear. Maybe
Zahidul brother.
It was important issue or important speech, but I couldn't hear her well. Rubina Sultana, what did you do the whole day? Also, Rubina, can you speak sometimes?
Zahidul brother, you talk.
Rubina Sultana sometimes could you speak smartly, smart sentence, smart word she can use sometimes, and I am astonished, surprised that she can use sometimes smart word, smart English, maybe Joe Biden or like Kamala Harris. Do you know Kamala Harris?
Yes, I can't hear. Zahidul brother.
Do you know Kamala Harris? Do you know?
Do you know Kamala Harris means?
আপনি কি কমলা হ্যারিসকে চিনেন? জো বাইডেন কে চিনেন?
জো বাইডেন চিনি জো বাইডেন
ছিলেন আর কমলা হ্যারিস ছিলেন না। জো বাইডেনের পরেই হয়েছে ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট হয়েছে কমলা হ্যারিস, মানে জো বাইডেনের পরে হয়েছে কমলা হ্যারিস। আর জো বাইডেন এখন বয়স হয়ে গেছে, তার জন্য সে পার্টি থেকে পদত্যাগ নিতেছে, রিজাইন নিতেছে আর কি। যেমন শেখ হাসিনা বিএনপির এখন দায়িত্ব পালন করে কি ইয়া না, মির্জা ফখরুল ইসলাম আলমগীর না?
হ্যাঁ মিস্টার ফখরুল আলম। মির্জা ফখরুল, হ্যাঁ।
এরকম ভাবে জো বাইডেনও তার পার্টি থেকে মানে ইস্তফা দেওয়া নিতেছে আর কি। বয়স হয়েছে, এখন সে স্টেবল না, তার জন্য সবাই আবার কমলা হ্যারিসকে পছন্দ করে। কমলা হ্যারিস কি বলা যায়, কঙ্গো মানে কালো জাতি আফ্রিকান এর না কি কয়, নিগ্রো না আরেকটা নাম আছে, এটা ভদ্র কথা বলে আর কি। মানে ওই জাতি থেকে এই প্রথম মানে ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট হয়েছে আমেরিকাতে। আর তার আছে কোয়ালিটি আছে, খুবই দক্ষ কমলা হ্যারিস, সবাই তাকে পছন্দ করে।
ব্ল্যাক একদম,
ব্ল্যাক শেড, কৃষ্ণাঙ্গ এরকম যে নাম বলে।
Just a moment. I joined few minutes after I joined few minutes. That's why my husband called me. I talk my husband.
After a few minutes, you will join again.
Yes.
Okay, you can leave now. Okay, bye. Yeah, it is very much. Yeah, I think you understood.
Yes, I coming here in this group.
Yeah, welcome. You are welcome.
এখন জাহিদুল ব্রাদার your talk জো বাইডেনের কি যেন বললেন, ওনার সম্পর্কে একটু বলেন তো, কি কি কমলা ম্যাডাম কি বললেন?
জো বাইডেন কমলা পাঠাইবো আপনার জন্য খাইতে। Joe Biden will send you or provide you orange and orange fruit. You can eat. How can we? You can eat easily or difficult way. Do you like orange?
Yes, I like orange.
Very good.
Yes, I like orange.
Very good. So you can eat komala.
I like every food.
You like every types of fruits. Okay, it's good. So Kamala Harris is a vice president of America, USA. President is Joe Biden and vice president is Kamala Harris, but unable or incapability of how can I say moving or activities. Joe Biden, who is the president of America, is gonna resign or postpone from his post or responsibility. That's why. Yes.
What's the name of Kamala Harris party? I think Conservative Party.
Democratic Party, Trump.
Okay, Trump is the Democratic Party, and Joe Biden, Kamala Harris selected from Conservative Party.
Conservative Party, yes.
What is symbol of Conservative Party? I think it will be elephant.
Elephant for Barack Obama. Yeah, Trump. Elephant for Trump. And donkey. It's called donkey or something else.
Okay.
Another is how can I say donkey? Donkey is for Democratic, Conservative Party.
What is the symbol of Conservative Party?
The donkey.
Donkey.
Gada.
Okay. Donkey. Brother, donkey. Yes, donkey. Donkey. May also yes, brother.
আজ সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। ইংলিশ বলেন ইয়ার না।
বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
আজ সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। Yes, thank you. Yes, Anif, yes.
Thank you, bro.
It's raining whole day.
Anif, try to translate. আজ সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে। Anif.
It has been raining all day.
Since morning.
সেটা তো সকাল থেকে।
আজ সারাদিন বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It has been raining all day.
It has been raining all day. Is it okay? Right or wrong?
No, brother. I am not sure this sentence, but I think it will be. It has been raining since morning, or it is my opinion, brother. I don't sure.
So, speech of Rubina, is it correct or wrong? The sentence of Rubina, what did she say? Is it right or wrong? Okay.
Raining.
It was wrong, both of you, because some was right, some was wrong, both of you. Rubina told it was almost right. But, all day, yes. If it is for a long time, you have to use for. Is a short time
for all day.
To use since. Because this is
it has been raining for all day.
Yeah, now it's correct. It has been raining for the whole day. For the whole day or for all day. And Abhanif, I didn't ask you that it has সকাল থেকে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
হ্যাঁ, ওটা করতে হবে since morning, সকাল থেকে।
It has been raining since morning. But I told you that
Thank you. It has been raining for the whole day. Am I right? I have written this sentence in our chatting. It has been raining for the whole day, bro.
Yes,
I see that.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
গতকাল 3 ঘন্টা যাবত বৃষ্টি হয়েছিল।
Okay. I'm trying to speak it. It has been raining. It has been raining for 3 hours. Yesterday. Sorry. It had been হবে. It had been raining for 3 hours.
Yes.
What, Rubina Sultana?
Yes, it had been raining for 3 hours today. Yesterday.
Yeah, very good. গতকাল সন্ধ্যা হতে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
গতকাল সন্ধ্যা হতে।
Okay. It had been raining since yesterday evening.
Yes, it have been raining since evening. It had been raining from since evening.
Abhanif, Rubina Sultana is right or wrong?
I feel he has some mistaken. From not will be correct.
What is correct?
I think it will be it had been raining since previous day evening. The previous day evening. It had been raining since the previous day evening.
Since evening?
Or since the
evening yesterday. আমি বলছি এটা as it have been raining from since evening yesterday.
অল্প অধুনাতনের ভুল হয়। আমি বলছি যে গতকাল সন্ধ্যা হতে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, তার মানে কি প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম, যে it has been raining since evening yesterday, অথবা last evening, since last evening, গত সন্ধ্যা হতে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, it had been raining since yesterday.
আমি তো
yesterday পরে হবে, evening আগে হবে, yesterday পরে হবে।
ফর্ম দিছি শুধু সেটা ভুল হয়েছে, আমি ফর্ম দিছি।
আর আমি বলছি তো যে গতকাল হতে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে, গতকাল বৃষ্টি হচ্ছিল, ওইরকম ভাবে বলি নাই তো, ফার্স্ট টেন্সের কথা বলি নাই। শুরু হয়েছে আগে কিন্তু এখন চলতেছে, তার মানে কি প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম, রিসেন্টলি, ঠিক আছে, বর্তমান সময়ে হচ্ছে, তার জন্য it has been raining since evening yesterday, অথবা
yesterday, হ্যাঁ, it had been seen it had been raining since evening yesterday.
So then তারপরে বলেন যে বৃষ্টির কারণে আমি বাইরে যেতে পারি নাই। আমি বাইরে যেতে পারি নাই।
I cannot go out due to raining.
Rubina, Abhanif is right or wrong?
Yes, right. I cannot go out due to
আমার ছাতা ছিল না, তার জন্য আমি বাইরে যেতে পারি নাই।
I wasn't umbrella.
I have no umbrella, so that's why I cannot go out.
Next.
I Abhanif, I have
umbrella, because I cannot go out.
I had
Brother, you may ask some question, brother. We are sorry, you, brother.
I am checking the next button. So next question, it was right. The next question is, আমি বৃষ্টিতে ভিজেছিলাম আজকে। হ্যাঁ, বলেন।
আমি বৃষ্টিতে ভিজেছিলাম।
Brother, I don't know how to answer question.
What is the meaning of visa?
Wait, visa.
Where to visa?
Today I am getting wet.
Today I am getting wet. মানে আজ আমি বৃষ্টিতে ভিজেছি। হয়েছে, সুন্দর হয়েছে, কিন্তু আমি এই বৃষ্টিতে ভিজছিলেন মানে কাজটা কন্টিনিউয়াস না, তার জন্য I am getting বললে হবে না। Past indefinite form এ I got wet in the raining.
I got
rain. I got wet.
I got wet in
in the rain today. I got wet
in the rain.
In the raining.
What? In the rain.
I mean,
in the rain. Today I got wet in the rain.
So আমি বৃষ্টিতে আমি কোনো গাড়ি পাই নাই। বৃষ্টিতে আমি I don't get any car.
While raining.
While raining.
Very good. বাসায় ফিরতে অথবা বাসায় আসার জন্য আমি কোনো গাড়ি পাই নাই বৃষ্টিতে।
I don't any car for coming my home, for came my home,
for returning my home, for back my home,
return my home, return my home.
Okay, I don't get any car. I don't get any car for return my home. In the raining or during the raining or at the time of raining to return my home or for returning my home. Okay. Abhanif, can't hear anything. আপনার কথা কেটে কেটে আসছে। Your speech is coming cutting.
Speak is coming cutting. Radul brother, you speak coming cutting. I can't hear properly.
You can't hear me properly. Because I didn't speak. I spoke in a false way. That's why you couldn't hear fluently. Today, network is okay. There is no issue. There is no problem. Because the whole day I worked it was too much speed, internet bandwidth. That's why I know that my internet is okay. Oh, there is another 1 minute. Rubina Sultana, now you can imagine that our group discussion is over, means finished. So how can you finish? It means conclusion or finishing speech. The point, try to complete our group discussion. And it will be finished. Today,
That's all.
I don't provide another link. That is because
Brother,
yes.
you should make a new group in WhatsApp, but it is a urgent for us.
But I have another word. It is good. It will be good. I know. But if I install WhatsApp in my laptop, it will hamper or it will problem. I will face
Yes.
problem because when I
Okay.